making little loops like that with no problems at all. And another hot and actually not that humid day here in Northern Virginia, and today I want to actually go ahead and fly this thing right here. It's a Flywoo LR4 long range, which is long range 4-inch, and I've been flying it for the past few weeks. Spoiler alert, I love it. Before we do that, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another vlog. I took the Big Blue to its first road trip, and she is a true champion for road trips. I cannot wait to take this thing to more road trips. And I wish I did record a little bit more on the road trip so I could have a vlog, but because it was really short and it was really sweet, I literally couldn't take more videos. But with that being said, it's all about this thing today. You guys like how I taped it on my old camera case? Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of my craftsmanship. I've also removed the 2 seats right here because I wanted to save some weight. And here we go. Also, the road trip I talked about, it was almost 400 something miles, and I got 16.7 miles per gallon. Literally went through 2 tanks of gas, one to get there and one to come back. This car is yeah, it's WHOREEEEE for gas. She sure is. Hey, see, I wasn't kidding when I said it's hot. It's 98 degrees, it shows there, but I don't know if that's how hot the bonnet of the car is or that's how hot the actual weather is. Also, if you guys want one of those hats, let me know in the comment section down below. Maybe I'll release them a little sooner. Sort of losing light, but I still have 20 minutes. That's pretty enough for a FPV drone to be flown, because the most you can get with the batteries I have, the 850 milliamp hours, is 10 minutes. That's not including the SMO 4K camera by Beta FPV and it's a 360. So let's set everything up and fly this thing. I gotta take the ND filter off because it's getting dark. I'm gonna put the camera on the tripod first. Good thing about this car, I can like literally just do everything right here. So as I said, I have this Velcro tape right here, and this is the drone. This is again a Flywoo micro long range 4-inch drone. It says by Dave CFPV. If you guys not familiar, Dave is the person who actually designed this drone. He had many different options, different mock-ups of this drone, and then he landed with this one. This is the version 2. There's a version 1 which doesn't have this color propellers and everything. And Dave C is the guy who basically built this. Also, if you guys want to watch his progress and everything, link in the description. I never met the guy, I never talked to the guy, but I watched some of the videos. It's pretty cool. So I'm actually losing light. I'm gonna put this battery on. I'm gonna put the strap on, tied it pretty hard because I don't want this to fall off. And then this thing makes this noise, and then it has to just find satellites because this thing comes with a GPS rescue as well as a buzzer. So if you lose the drone, you can flip a switch on your controller and basically find your drone if you lose it. Let me see if my camera turns on. That is on. And then let's see if it's recording. And that is recording right now. So let me do a little sound sync right there. 3, 2, 1. All right, it's ready to go. This drone is so quiet, you guys can't hear it. Let me bring it closer a little bit. Can you guys hear it? I'm gonna go full blast next to the car. Ready? It sounds really good. Also, you guys can't see me. Let me come closer so you guys can see me, and then the camera right there. It sounds so good. All right, let's go for a little exploration. All right, this flies so good. I'm gonna post the recording of the DVR and the recording of the actual camera. Ooh, we lost the sun. It's really good. I'm just cruising right now. Also, because this thing is a long range, it can go up to I think 4 to 5 miles. So you can literally go to the town with this thing. Like I can, what is that? Oh, you see this bike right there? I could take this thing all the way right on the highway with no problem. Just follow cars right there. I'm literally right on the highway. But also it goes fast too. Like right now, if I go full throttle, it's going 100 miles an hour. Actually, sorry, 100 kilometers an hour. So I'm gonna go full blast right next to us. And then difference between this drone, let me do full blast first. Oof, that sounds so good. The difference between this drone and the pusher drone or the Cinewhoop that I showed you guys last time is that you could do a little bit more freestyle with this drone. Let me show you guys. Let me, for example, like trying to do a little dive right there to come back and like do a grand visualize of the car and then go around to see the sunset, but we can't see it. But then you can do like little rolls like that. No problems at all for this drone. Even like some how you call it, making little loops like that with no problems at all. Really manageable. The tune from the factory, the tune from the Flywoo is really good, and I've been enjoying flying this thing, to be honest. It's been 2 minutes of flight time and I still have 15.4 volts left, even though we did go crazy. And now you see behind the trees, no connection loss or anything, and it's pretty cool. I'm gonna do a little loop around the car just to show how quiet it is, how easy it is to maneuver. You can even get close to the ground, even though it's not a pusher drone. It's so controllable. It's so easy to control this thing, and I've been really enjoying it. Also, you guys can see the belly right there. Got a little too close to the car, but it's fine. Let's just, like, you know, cruise for a little bit more. You can go as far as you want because this is a long range. Even though I don't have like a modified antennas on my goggles, you still can go pretty far. Right now I am 200 meters away, 220 meters away. I don't know how much in mile it is. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. 300 meters away, which is pretty good amount of miles, I guess. I don't know how much, so you guys can see through there, but it can go way more than that for sure, because it's a long range. It's so smooth, even with my, how you call it, not like newbie joystick playing. I can still fly this thing pretty smooth and do like little tricks with it, and like trying to reveal and do a little dive, do a little turn around, do a little roll around. One of the things I love to do, let's go high up, is to do this. Woo! It feels so good to do things like that. It was still possible to do things like this with the Cinewhoop, but Cinewhoops are basically built to go low to the ground without doing so much, not so many of the, how you call it, freestyles, but this thing is like so low to the ground, sounds really good. Let me do one more pass by the car to like just show you guys how it sounds. It sounds so good for a drone. It's not a 5-inch drone, but it sounds like a 5-inch drone, even though I never had a 5-inch drone. So yeah, at this point this video is gonna get long, so I'm just gonna bring it in for a landing and do a little conclusion. Overall, I freaking love this drone. This is really good. This is really good. I really enjoy it. Let's do a little freestyle again. Little barrel roll with the splitters. so easy. Still have 14.7 volts. Almost 7 minutes of flight time, even with the camera recording, hopefully. If not, then everything's gonna be from the DVR. I'm gonna bring this for landing because I've been talking so much on this flight. Maybe I just take another one, another fresh battery, just for a little flight with a little music too, a little more freestyle, and call it a day. Let me see if I can come closer. There we go. That was an awesome flight. Oh my god, that was so much. Oh, it's actually dark outside. Wow. Perfect. This was recording, that was recording, and let me just stop this video. So the buzzer is when you unplug the battery. This buzzer, when for example when you crash, this buzzer comes to life right after a crash, so it starts beeping like this. Imagine you just crashed and then trying to find your drone. As soon as the battery gets unplugged, this has a little battery on it and it start buzzing, and it's pretty loud. See what I mean? It buzzes with the light, so you definitely can find your drone if you, for example, somehow lose it. The way to turn it off, there's a little button right here. You just hold that right there, press it in for a few seconds, and should reset it. Perfect.
I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. Too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. Too easy. It's too easy. I've been there, done it, seen it. Boy, all that like Keenan. Still got crack, they fiendin'. Flow still hot like Phoenix. Shine so bright, I'm gleaming. This off top, I'm tweaking. Fresh out the rat like Neiman. And I'm still tryna fight my demons. Cause we all gotta act like Tina. That's why I gotta ride with the Nina. Outside, it's a war going on. Make me put my hands on my head like the Macarena. They want you walking on board like chemo. And give a F to you like John Cena. Putting blood on the brand new Beamer. Tryna earn 8 stripes like Adidas. You get cold when you ride with the heater. It'll turn you to a dog like a keto. And expose to a cat like a cheetah. They smoke my partner like reefer. Dímelo porque o no entiendo. Mi gente must really need Jesus. They shed real blood, I never seen the crypt and I believe it. It's too easy. Too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed the flight. Let me know in the comment section down below if you think I'm getting better at flying the FPV, or if you want to see more FPV videos or FPV drone videos on the channel. I'll be posting them more. I'm really happy and really excited to fly this 4-inch drone more and more, but I can see myself be getting into a 5-inch drone and probably a 6S battery, 6L battery really soon. Hopefully that happens too. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want to see it. And with that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and also give me a thumbs up, because that's what YouTube likes to see and that's what I like to see, so I get motivated to do more and more of these videos for you guys. With that out of the way, thanks again for watching. As always stay amazing, and see you guys in the next one. Peace. Guys, it finally happened. YouTube paid off. I got elite member from Marriott, and the room is yeah, not necessarily a Marriott quality kind of room, but well,